It's simple. To run an efficient business, you need efficient devices. The Canon imageCLASS LBP226dw balances speedy performance with minimal maintenance. With fast, two-sided printing right out of the box, you can hit the ground running and still save paper. Or save some time and increase productivity by adding an extra paper tray. On the go? No problem. Keep moving and print documents wirelessly using your compatible mobile device. And the high-capacity cartridge helps you keep printing longer. Meanwhile, low melting point toner can minimize power requirements, using less energy and saving on costs. Plus, Canon's 100% US-based friendly and knowledgeable customer service team provides expert assistance for every level of experience. The imageCLASS LBP226dw works in a way that allows you to do your best work. Canon imageCLASS series. Experience you need from the brand you can trust.